KTM Duke 390 is one of the best things which has happened to the Indian motorcycling market. The kind of performance this motorcycle offers for the amount of money you pay is just total value for money. 2017 edition of the KTM has included so many features, including the beautiful LED headlights and the exhaust canister, which gives it a mature sporty sound and is cherry on the top. The new Duke 390 definitely looks like a baby Super Duke, but one thing that is missing from this bike is a proper windshield. This bike is capable of traveling at a speed of more than 150, and the kind of wind blast it causes is really horrible. So today I am unboxing a windshield which I have ordered for my Duke 390, and I will be reviewing for it to you guys. So let's get started. So starting with the components, first we have the windshield, the nice chiseled looking windshield which is made of a very good quality, and it is also very aerodynamic in shape and the structure, so it's really nice looking. Then we have the windshield holder which is made of metal, and the quality and the finishing of this product is really very good and very high quality. Then this is the third part which I have ordered extra. It's the number plate holder made with the same material as the plate holder. Then we have the screws and the nut bolts which are used to attach the windshield on the holder. These are the Nylock style holders, so they are very good and they kind of prevent vibrations. Then we have these nut bolts to attach our windshield holder to the bike. It is attached on the same place where our previous the number plate is attached. Then these are the things which you can attach to your windshield point where the bolt goes in if you don't want to attach your number plate holder on that place. So these are kind of a protective layer against when you are going to tighten the bolts, so you can attach them. I will show you in the video later how or where you can attach them, so it will give you a clear idea about that. Then this is the key lanyard or the keyring which was given as a gift, and it has a branding of Lluvia. And then these are the stickers which has come with these nice windshield. So coming to the review, I have used this windshield for near about 400 km, and in this distance I have covered, I can say that the purpose for this windshield has been designed is definitely being solved. The size of this windshield is medium, so it provides adequate protection from the wind blast at speeds of over 130 to 140. Also, the quality of materials which have been provided with this windshield is top notch. So I doesn't feel that the money I have spent on this is really very high. The look of this windshield is really very sharp, and with the design elements matching that of the bike, it doesn't look out of place at all. The cost of this windshield is 3600 rupees, including the number plate holder which I have ordered with this. So I will definitely recommend this windshield if you want to install in your Duke 390. It's a simple DIY process and it is very easy to do it at home. You don't need any special tools, all of them are in your bike kit. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions you can definitely comment down and ask me if you want. I will definitely try to reply them with the accurate facts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for future further updates, and hit that like button to show some appreciation because it doesn't cost anything. So please subscribe and like. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you all have a good day. So see ya.